Hey guys, this video will be a little different. Today, we will learn about how a keychain flashlight would work. There will be 4 parts in this video. First, there will be an introduction about the keychain flashlight. Next, I will tell you guys how I think the flashlight would work. And then, there will be a teardown/disassembly of the flashlight. And finally, there will be a conclusion. This is a keychain flashlight. Here there's an adapter which you can use to plug it into a key. And here on this side there's a button, and if you press on it, the light will shine. I think inside the keychain flashlight there will be one battery with 2 wires, one for the positive side and the other one for the negative side, with one connecting to the switch. On both of the wires at the end will connect to the LED light bulb. Phillips head screws. These keep the components together and keep the parts stable in the device. Transparent red exterior parts. They would help protect the other surfaces from scratches or dents. They also serve an aesthetic purpose. Gray exterior parts. It protects the internal parts in the flashlight. It also has space for internal components. Button cap. It allows you to turn on the light when pressed. It has tiny bumps on the surface so you could easily press it. Metal strips. They act like wires and transfer energy from the batteries to the LED light bulb. Keychain. It doesn't serve any important function for the flashlight to work. It is mostly for convenience. LED light. It is vital to the whole device. It lights up when the button is pressed. Batteries. They provide the flashlight with energy needed to operate. Button. It interacts with the battery's LED light and the metal strips, so it could turn on the light. In conclusion, one metal strip connects the battery directly to the light. Then the other metal strip connects the 2 batteries together. The button mechanism is attached to the light bulb and it rests on the second battery, but it doesn't touch the battery. If you were to press the button, then the light bulb connector would touch the second battery, which would complete the circuit, resulting in the light to shine.